Hello everybody, welcome back to my video. Today, going over the new Sonic screwdriver, custom made by me and my helper. Well, that's a custom made Sonic screwdriver. Well, here he is. The Sonic screwdriver, custom made. So, like, you all say, where's the button? The button is actually the bottom on here. So, we can just assimilate, deactivate some buildings and open some doors. It actually has two different modes, like, if you're like that, be right unlocking and closer. But this is be the new 22 Dr. Sonic screwdriver. Coming up next episode. So yeah. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment below, and see you on the next episode.